just need to keep it in one piece, okay? Sonny?
Oi, what the hell?
Oh no!
What's wrong with Sonny?
Joshua, yep, keep focus. You're so good.
What's he doing?
He's driving angry. Not good. It's not good.
Sonny, we need to make these tires last. Take it easy.
No, he's put the car in qualifying mode. He's going to run the battery down. Tell him to put it back.
Sonny, you're now in qualify mode. What's going on? Sonny, what's happening?
Brakes now and into the chicane. Haze attacks round the outside!